Hi there, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. I've been working on my LEAP project here for a few days, about a week actually, and I wanted to share an improvement that I had. This is the data I had that was a download from another program that we're using. I don't know how many of your guys' customers come with this much data and this big of a mess, but it took me a while to figure out how to use this and what to do with it. And now I think I've got everything figured out in Excel. But let me show you the improvement that I made so that you can include this into your training next time, help people go a little bit smoother. So is what I did is I took the download, when you do the export, and it gave me I got the headings that I needed for there. And so I wanted to put the right headings with my data and then get it in the right order. And once I got this organized in the right order, it was much easier to work with and understand. But so the first thing I did is I went just by color coded matching it. And then I went and standardized all the categories and I put them in order. And then the last thing here is I actually numbered these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, each one of these. And if I was really good, I could probably sort those columns based on those numbers in the rows. Why did I do that? Is because when I'm working with the data and getting it organized, sometimes it helps to be able to take, for example, and my sell price and cut it and put it over here next to my description, so I can see that I can see what I'm selling and the price match. And then when I'm done, to put it back in order, I might bring 2 or 3 of those and mix these up to make things work a little bit easier to work with it in the Excel format. And then to put it back, I can cut and paste that back in the same numerical order that we had there. Let me just I'll hit Control Z and that'll put this single one back. And that way, then I know what order it is. I don't have to go back and look at the export sample and go, oh, is it right there? I know my order is right here because it's all numerical across the top. And then when I'm done, I get everything dialed in and right. I can hide or delete all of my old data that is outside of that range. So just a quick little improvement I made, something that might be helpful for your future, for you guys working with it on your own or with your future customers.